Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and wish you all a Merry Christmas. For today's video, I just thought that we should do a little bit of Christmas get ready with me. So yeah, let's get started with that. As always, let's start with our skin prep. Toner, my moisturizer, sunscreen obviously. So usually my skin prep is that, but in today's video I'm going to use an extra step, which is this MAC primer. Start off with our concealer. Don't forget to put concealer here, top of my forehead, some on my chin. This is a Lakme CC cream. I just use my hands. Okay, now that we look like a ghost, let's just bring back some color and use contour palette. Okay, so I just got this for tried. It has so many shades of contour. I really don't know how to use. I'm still learning. Pardon me if I'm using the wrong brush. I'm yet to understand the whole brush situation. Just going to use blush. Just a little bit here also. Always do the blush upward. So you're going to use this peachy coral kind of blush again. It's Christmas, so let's do some shimmer on the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to start with this nude one, just for the base. For the crease, I'm going to take this cooler brown. This mask glitter palette is so good, but it's only when you want to wear like a loud makeup or do something different. Look, see? So pretty. Use the previous golden one for my inner corner. This is how the golden shimmer looks. You're interrupting my video.
The same film after so long. I know you guys missed me, come on.
You have been MIA from the channel.
Yeah.
You're not welcome anymore. Bye.
Shut up.
It's Maybelline Sky High Mascara. A little bit, not much. Eyebrows. Using the eyebrow gel. Really like this step. I don't know why. Jana! Arey yaar, phone na papa. Like I keep saying in all the videos, cool tone brown to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, because it's Christmas, I think we should just go like all out and do a red lip. Always overline your lips here. And then for the inner corner, just do on the inside. Just use any shade of red. This is a little brighter red, which I don't really prefer on my skin tone. So I'm just going to use my water tint. Just a little bit. The bow. I just wanted to show you. I don't know what happened to my lighting, but this is a shot get ready with me for Christmas. Thank you for watching the video, and do let me know what should I do next. I'm so sorry for the lighting. I don't understand what's happening, but yeah, that's it. Bye. Take care.